Hi and welcome to BizeeBee. I'm Purnima, the CEO and founder. BizeeBee was built to help small businesses that offer memberships like a yoga studio, a dance studio, Pilates, martial arts, keep track of their members and get those members to come back more often as well as renew their memberships on time. In this tutorial, I'll give you a demo of some of the major features that we offer to our customers. To begin, we'll log in. And once we've logged in, we'll be taken to this dashboard tab. The great thing about the dashboard is that it automatically generates reports for you based on how often your members are coming, based on how well your instructors are performing, as well as how much money you're making. And you don't have to do anything but a few simple tasks, like taking attendance and recording purchases. So in this graph, we see how many students or how many members are coming every month. And it's divided into the particular classes that you offer. We can even drill down to see the daily view. Now we might want to see our instructors or how our staff are performing. We'll click on the instructor chart. And be taken to see how many instructors have taught classes each month. This is also a great way to do payroll because we now know how many classes each instructor has taught. We can even drill down to see how many people came to each of the classes. Now, of course, the other thing that we want to know is how much money we're making month over month. So to do that, we'll click on the revenue chart. And you can see the packages that you offer and how much money they're bringing in every month. Now, how does all this data get generated? Well, to begin, we start by adding members. Adding a new member is pretty simple. We go here to add a member, or there is also a hot button located throughout the application. So we can click Add a Member. We'll go ahead and add a member. Maybe they're going to complete a purchase. We'll go ahead and activate their purchase and save it. And now we've added our new member. Once we've done this, we can actually drill down into each member and see a history of what they've purchased. We can also see how often they've come. So far, Jonas hasn't come at all. And if for some reason Jonas goes into the negative or needs to have his membership renewed, you can send an email reminder. This email reminder will get sent to Jonas, and once he receives it, he'll click on the link here and be taken to your online store. The online store is a great way for you to collect payments and renew memberships outside of your studio. You no longer have to wait for people to bring money to class because oftentimes they might forget. So here, Jonas would go, select a particular class card, and complete his purchase. Now let's get back to the application. The other thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to take attendance so that all of the memberships are in order. So to do that, we'll start with a class. Let's say we're going to teach a Bikram class, and the instructor is Veronica. It's taught today at 11 a.m. We'll go ahead and put in our new member, Jonas, and take attendance. Now we've taken attendance for Jonas. And you'll see here that all the attendance details for the current class have stayed, which makes it even easier for you to take attendance for another student. Let's say now Mary's attended this class as well. We'll go ahead and take attendance for her. And we see that Mary is now 6 classes in the negative. So we should probably have Mary renew or tell Mary that she has to renew. And we can of course do that by either asking Mary when she comes in for money and recording a purchase, or we can send her a reminder to get her to renew online in case she doesn't bring money to class with her. So now let's go back to the dashboard, and we'll see here for January that we have 2 people that attended the Bikram class today. It's that simple to generate reports. Now the other thing that we're going to want to do is create some memberships. You can offer a variety of memberships, either one-time purchases like a drop-in, a monthly class card that may be unlimited, or a 10 class card for 10 visits. Creating a class card is pretty simple. You can also do it for promotions. So let's say we want to add a class card here. And let's say we're going to do a New Year's special and offer $25, 3 credits, and we'll want to display it on the online store. We can save this and then see that the New Year special showed up immediately. We can also go to our online store and see that it appears automatically as well. So it's that simple to create a new class card or a promotion and then make sure that you get paid. Let's say we decide that we no longer want to run the New Year special, or we made a mistake and we don't actually want to have a New Year special. We can go ahead and delete the class card. It'll go away, and it will also disappear from your online store. The other great thing that you're going to want to do is keep up with all of the members that are coming, and that's why we've designed the Outreach tab. If you click on Outreach, you can then see how many times a student has attended and all the class cards that you've sold to your members. So, let's say we want to know who only came one time. Here's a way to see all of the people that came just once, and then we can send them an email to remind them to come back. Or we might want to see how many members only have a few credits left, and then once again send them a reminder to get them to come back. Now let's say that you want to also send out promotional emails or newsletters. Well, the great thing about BizeeBee is that we've actually teamed up with MadMimi, which is an email marketing service. Using MadMimi, we can go ahead and sync our member lists. So you'll enter all of your members into BizeeBee, their first name, last name, and email. Then go to the Settings tab, click on Email Marketing, and enter your API key for a MadMimi account. Once this is done, all of your contacts will be synced, and you can go into MadMimi if you decide that you want to send out newsletters. So there's no need to enter data in twice. And if you decide to join us and use BizeeBee, and you have a list of existing customers, then feel free to just send those over, and we'll go ahead and do the import for you automatically. They can be on paper or on index cards, or preferably in an electronic format like a spreadsheet. Now we're always building at BizeeBee, and that's why you should go to the Welcome tab to see what's new and what we have to offer. This is where we keep track of the new features that we're building, as well as suggestions for how you can use BizeeBee to improve your business, get more customers to come back, as well as get paid on time. So that's pretty much it for using BizeeBee. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 650-489-6233. We also have this lovely chat client here where you can contact us from 9 to 5 p.m. Pacific time. Or if you decide you'd like to email us, you can also email us at support@bizeebee.com. We're here to help you, and we want to see that your studio grows and that you are able to satisfy the needs of your members. Thank you. Have a great day.